And here we are, guys, Planet Bolden. Whoa, a ton of bolts that we got. Nice. I presume that this part, from this level on, we get more bolts, probably. Also, if this was my second playthrough of this game, I could have used the first-person glitch to bypass that part. And yeah, the first-person glitch is still available, as the other glitches I remember from all the Ratchet and Clank games. They're still present here. Like one of my favorites on the first Ratchet and Clank game in Planet Railguard, that you can traverse a wall, and that will lead you to an open, gigantic underwater area. That it's very weird, but very awesome at the same time. Damn, I remember that I used to die so many times. Oh, freaking camera. Dude! What the hell? Oh, okay. Damn it, freaking camera. First I'm going to this part, and I'm going to show you guys a little secret. I won't be going deeper in this secret that I'm going to show you guys, but I want to show it first. And this was the first thing I did when I played this game, was to try the secret out. So, you must go. Oh fuck. Good thing I still survived. You have to go to this part. You guys see? It's not supposed for us to be here, but we can actually go here. And if you go to this place, I'm kind of amazed. The ground isn't that glitched, though you can already see some glitches here. There's no ground. Oh, it magically appeared. So if you go to this place here, you can actually come here. Oh damn it. Oh, how the hell did I end up here? This wasn't the right place I wanted to end up. Oh, dead. I'm dead. Fuck. I'm going to try to go there again. I know this isn't like a part of the game. I mean, it's part of the game, but not of the story. Still, I want to show you guys what you can get from that place. I'm going to try not to lose much HP in this part. Oh, managed to lose only one nanotech. Awesome. Wait, don't I have the... Yes, I do have a charge, but... No glitched floor right now. Maybe this weapon is good for this part. Oh great! No! I didn't get glitched. Damn it! How did he hit me? Oh, there's still one alive there. Oh, you noticed. Oh crap! What are you doing here? Okay, no more. So as you guys can see, if you manage to get this part, you can visit the Insomniac Museum without much effort, without waiting for 3 o'clock in the morning. But this is what I wanted to show you guys, because I don't really... I won't show the Insomniac Museum in this part. I think I already showed enough. And it says return to ship, but we aren't at our ship. So I'm going to commit suicide. Because we still didn't arrive at this part, and I want to complete this segment first. So now that I showed what I wanted to, I'm going to complete it. because I wasted enough time on that thing. I wonder if Insomniac built this way for the glitch. I don't think so, but oh damn it. I think I just wasted again. Suppose I won't gain any skill points because I think we can get skill point this way. But like I was saying, I wonder if Insomniac made this that way so that we could find that glitch. I don't think so, but looks like it was on purpose. Here's another Slim Cognito. I don't know if I have 4 platinum bolts. I'm going to buy this one and this one. And now I don't have any more bolts. We're getting tons of bolts right now. This is amazing. So here we are again, and time to create Avoc. And hopefully I don't die. Wanted to hit me, bitches. Oh right, I bought the upgrade, now I can poison the enemies. So, I don't really know, this way here, it's not mandatory, so I'm going first here. This is the place that we actually respawned while returning to our ship, supposedly. Oh damn it, I didn't notice this guy. There's a bolt if you guys didn't notice. But we won't be able to get it in this visit to the world. We need to come back later. Damn it, one guy ahead. Damn it! What? I think that was like... Oh yeah, we need to use the spider to get that bolt over there. Yeah, I remember. But I think there's like a nano tech booster around here. Probably the other side, I don't know. Slow down. Oh, here's an nanotech booster. Our nanotech is coming along pretty well. We also get the last wrench upgrade in the level, in the world that's coming up right next. We're making progress, guys. We're making progress. Damn it! This level is kind of hard with the first armor because the enemies hit pretty hard. Ooh, and I remember another level, Snivlak. That planet is going to be hard too, with the first armor in the game. And I'm playing like a noob, like I'm doing right now. This is going to be double the pain. They were like playing rock, scissors, papers. Damn it! hate these enemies. Their aim is actually pretty good. Oh, and the rocket launcher is getting... It's almost at the F. No, and there's an armor vendor. But nope. And I'm going to get money for that weapon. I think this is here is a continue point. Not sure though. Oh no, the continue point was that place with the weapon vendor, I suppose. Damn it! I died. What? LOL. Glitch. I mean, that wasn't a glitch. I died, but and my health upgraded, and I was like full health and dead. Damn it! Fuck you! I don't even have ammo in this weapon anymore. Amazing. I'm going to back. Also, I should consider suicide. Damn it! Why the hell when I play Ratchet and Clank games, suicide always comes into mind? Ratchet and Clank games give you... They want you to commit suicide. It's sad but true. Damn it, I'm going to die. Again. Damn it, how are you still alive? Bastard! Oh, fuck you. Damn it, fell off. Ah, fuck you! Don't mess with me. You should know better. Ah, damn, this section like this again. Awesome, I upgraded my No tech. Though I don't really need it. The level is over. See, the bolt is over there and you need to use the swing shot, but the cutscene is going to appear before you can do that.
What the? This isn't Fizz Widget.
Would you like a free proto-pet sample? Available today.
Where is he?
Freeze, knuckleheads!
Oh, no.
The two of yous are under arrest for attempting to bump off Mr. Fizz Widget.
But this isn't...
Save it, Fuzzy. You're not fooling anyone. You and your metal buddy just earned yourselves a trip to our new prison. Watch this.
Thugs for Less Prison would like to wish you a happy incarceration. After a poolside orientation, all new inmates will meet one-on-one with a galactic nutritionist. This professional will ensure that you're eating a species-appropriate diet for your entire stay. Next, come check out our fitness spa with your personal trainer. Remember, a prison term can feel twice as long if you're not in proper shape. And for those times when you're just feeling blue, come talk it out with one of our 10 full-time life coaches. They'll help you find your smile again. Thugs for Less Prison. Experience the maximum in security.
What'd you think of that?
That didn't seem so bad. I assume you have provisions for vegetarians.
Of course. Vegan or fruit. Wait a minute. You, take them away. And then pound their ship, too.